Okay, so the handrail's arrived and I've got to work out how to get it bang on level with the other handrail. I'm just going to resin 3 fixings in, 3 12mm spikes on the railing. Okay, so we've got the handrail clamped up. I'm only going to get one shot at this. So I'm going to drill it and then use a resin. So this brick's quite soft, so I've decided to just use an old wood bit. I'm worried about shattering the brick using a masonry bit. Okay, so that's the sort of dry fit. I'm not going to bang it right in because I'm probably not going to get it out. So let's just have a look and get some resin in those holes first. It's pretty good. I didn't get any exploding bricks, which was nice. This one maybe a little bit of a crack there, but let's get some resin in there. And that's pretty cool. Okay, well, this is the last video of the steps. They are now completed. I've gone with a kind of resin grip all the way up because they're damn slippery when it's icy. And the blacksmith's handrail, which was resin bonded into the brick, goes all the way up the left, making it good and safe. Stairs are all solid. We've sealed them. So all in all, pretty pleased with the project. It was a bit tricky at times, but now it's done. We've got a lovely old staircase, which is very safe and solid. So it's kind of best of both worlds. So I'm really pleased. And again, thanks for your input and feedback on this. It did help quite a lot. Thanks for watching. Speak to you later.